Can eye workouts improve depth perception? With eye workouts, you gotta work consistently to see the result. Eye exercises can improve your depth perception. Hey buddy, do you really think eye doctors want you to see clearly? Of course not. They need the profit from your next pair of designer frames for $500, which cost $3 to produce. Good profit margin, huh? If you know product with better profit margin, write in the comments. But seriously, eye workouts can boost your eyesight in about 20 different ways. Eye exercise is the secret workout. So how do eye workouts help with depth perception? Picture this. You're doing your eye exercises and suddenly your brain is like, thanks for the heads up. Now I can finally tell if that car is really 2 blocks away or just a fragment of my imagination. It's like giving your eyes a gym membership. Brain and eyes is connected mechanism, and if one part fails, it can affect the other. The 20 ways to better eyesight. Now let's dive into the 20 ways eye exercises can improve your eyesight. First up, improved eye focus, because we need to focus far away or close up, and it's matter. Eye coordination, contrast perception, brightness perception. When we are improving our eye health, every perception of our eyes benefits from it. Next, we have enhanced peripheral vision. It's like to have eyes in the back of a head. Then there is improved contrast sensitivity. You will finally be able to distinguish between your black shirt and your navy shirt. The ultimate eye workout playlist, eye tracking. You will be following moving objects like a hawk. Wait, where's that bird go? Oh, there is just crash into the tree. You will be a king of spatial awareness. People will start asking you for direction. Say goodbye to squinting, and of course, with all these improvements, you will finally say goodbye to squinting. You know that face you make when you are trying to read the fine print on menu? Do I need glasses or just a miracle? Conclusion, the eye-opening truth. So in conclusion, eye workouts can genuinely improve your depth perception and your overall eyesight in so many ways. Enroll in Eyesight Academy course, well-structured eye workout plan to improve your eye health naturally.